In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp status privacy settings if they are not saving. First, launch open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on these three dots. Here find the option of settings and tap on it. Now find the option of privacy. Here find status, tap on it. Here, choose your preferred privacy options. You can select My Contacts Accept, or Only Share With, depending on who you want to see your status updates. After making your selections, go back to the previous screen. WhatsApp automatically saves your changes, so there is no separate save button. If your privacy settings aren't being saved, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then change the settings again. You should also update WhatsApp to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store. Now search WhatsApp. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After that, open WhatsApp and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.